Hello, welcome back to my Shabby Craft Corner, and today I'm showing a tutorial on how to do a 3D card, Christmas card, and this is using the free printables. It's a little mini sampler, free printables by Shabby Art Boutique, and it's using the Ginger Kisses. So what I'll do is I'll just share a few things here with you before we start. So it's the Ginger Kisses digital kit by Shabby Art Boutique, and I'll put her link to the Etsy store on the full digital papers. So on the full digital papers on her Etsy store that's on sale, you'll get various, I've been through most of these already with you on YouTube. I've just printed a few off. These are the fussy cuts, and there are tons more, so go and have a look. So that's for the paid for digitals, but what I'm using today is the sampler digitals to create this card with, and I'll put a link to her group so you can go and find them. So I printed off 2 of these, which are little fussy cut images. You've got, it's just so adorable. Look at that gingerbread. A little gingerbread man in a little glove. He's been baking. And how sweet. A little gingerbread with a little mixer in the background. All the little papers. And then you've got the 2 sheets in the smaller version. You can make into like pockets and journals. So that's the free printables. And what I have done is I have, I'll quickly show you, get one of the papers here ready just to show you how I do it. So I've been eating lots of cake, lots of cakes to make these, and they are so useful for the cards that I create and journals, you know, that you cut that end off and that bit there, and then it becomes a journal that you can decorate, like a little mini album. So I'm using a cake box, and this one was a chocolate fudge cake. I've got a coffee cake out there and a carrot cake. So what I've done is I've just tore the edge off here from the box, just took it apart, and we are folding it flat. And then what I have done is this one here, I have cheated. I'm not using all of it. I could have used all of it. It is from the main digital. I just thought it looked pretty, and I've just cut that one out to size. And this one's going to go on here, so that one will fit onto there. Then what I'm just showing you basically what I'm doing to the outside of the box, and that one is going to go on the back there like that, and this one is going to go on the front. Okay, so I'll do that in a minute and glue all that down. And then this one is going to, this one's going on to the background, and this one here is from the main digital papers too, but I thought I'd be using that one just to show you how I create with these. Figure out where I'm starting to. Right, we will get there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue and all this is just tracing around the box, the circle. fold them. There, like that. I always make the creases when I do this. I don't know why I do. I shouldn't have folded it. Maybe if I just stick, let it dry on there before folding, Nicola. Right, and we're going to do the same with the other side. Just put that one. I'm actually going to put this one here a little bit down. Tuck that over the edge there. Okay, so now we're going to put this one on here. And then we're going to do the back part here. Line everything out there like that. So that's the front part decorated. Sticky. And I know that if I stick that to there, that's gonna just use that for now. Right. There'll be the background. So with these, you can cut 2 or 3 out. And what you do is you just basically bend it round the front of the box to get your size, and then put a little fold in, and then leave enough on the edges. I'm just going to do the one today. I'm not going to do too many. And then what you do is you will fold this back in. And stick that edge back together to the box. should be strong enough to collapse. So now you've got your little box there. What you do is you see if it does slip in. Okay, just gonna try and get that in the middle section there. Turn it around, get into the little section there. So as you can see, you can, and I have done this, and I've been lazy about it. I could have done another one behind there. So, and that should collapse like this. Right, so that's that one done. And if I've got the fussy cuts, like this. We could put on the top there. Look here. Actually, that was quite cute there. Normally I'd just take my time with the fussy cuts, get into all the details, but I'm doing this quick. Rough one. We can maybe add that one there, like that. Trying to figure out if I can add them in places. A bit on there. could add that one right to the back there. Excuse me. I'm peeking out back there like that. Probably put this one here. The little button just underneath. So that's basically how I do my cards, and I do wish I did maybe one or two more with you for the layering into the inserts, but that's basically your little 3D pull out card. So thanks for watching, and I'll put all the links into the description on her Etsy store, her Facebook group, where you can head over and find out more information on how to get this little sampler kit. And thanks for watching. Take care.